I get to do some fun stuff once in a while, and I got invited along on a little presser riding the Classic 350 around the Mornington Peninsula. I live down here, so it's gorgeous. And as a 350, totally appropriate for all the roads here. 80 kilometers an hour, 100 kilometers an hour, did a little freeway stretch, lots of twisties, and the bike handles itself beautifully. It's torquey, feels good. At 100, it feels great. And look at the color schemes, I just love them. Having been to the factory in Chennai, I can tell you these bikes just keep getting better and better. And when you see the colors on offer and the fact that you can ride away for under 8 grand, I don't know what kind of biking you do, but it sounds perfect to me.
As you can see here, this is the up-spec model. So we're getting the beautiful chrome all over it, a nice dash metallic green paint as well. Really stands out. I gotta say, the premium models do seem like the best bet for me. You get the little tripper dash, you get adjustable levers. There's a couple of little extras thrown in. However, they start at 8 grand on the road right away for the base model. And then I think these are about 8.8, which is pretty good value for a 350. Lamb's legal motorcycle, great entry point into motorcycling. So that is a wrap from the Classic 350 launch. Obviously, this is more of a little revamp than a full model update, but I gotta say it's a cool little machine from Royal Enfield.
I dig this thing. It's a charming little bike. Always fun to ride one along the coastal roads around here. Can't get enough. What do you reckon?